power industry is a key driver for development of all manufacturing sectors. Modern civilization cannot spare it. Since ancient times, it has been the key factor governing human life and development of civilization. Electric power industry, being one of backbone industries, is essential to political, economic, and social components of any country. Sustainable development of the Kazakhstani electric power complex and ensuring stable capacity growth, along with increasing industrial investment prospects, are among the priorities for the Republic. 23 years ago, owing to efforts of like-minded people, a small company, ASPMK-519, saw the light. Passion for work, driving for stronger performance, and founders capable to take the long view contributed to its gradual and confident development. Today, ASPMK-519 is a large, multi-purpose, vertically integrated holding company that is a professional participant of power industry, having well-established competencies in all its areas, and has inspiring resources combining a number of design, industrial, construction, and installation companies, as well as electric power generation facilities and servicing companies. The company's enterprises produce more than 3,500 products with more than 3,000 employees. ASPMK-519 holds leading market positions in design, construction, modernization, rehabilitation, and repair of electrical grids and substations, with a voltage of up to 500 kilovolt and construction of operation of small hydropower plants in the Republic of Kazakhstan. Key business lines are full-cycle engineering in turnkey construction of electrical grid and substations, design of electric grids, substations, and hydroelectric power plants with a voltage of up to 500 kilovolt, construction, modernization, rehabilitation, and repair of electric grids and substations with a voltage of up to 500 kilovolt, telecommunications and information technology services in power industry, pre-commissioning, installation of process equipment for substations, operation of electric grids and substations, construction of hydroelectric power plants, manufacture of reinforced concrete products and structures for electric grid, industrial, civil, and irrigation and drainage construction, such as power lines, towers, foundations for metal towers and equipment, a wide range of structures for substations, structures for reclamation systems, and hydraulic works. Plant capacity is more than 60,000 cubic meters of reinforced concrete per year. Manufacture of galvanized steel structures for overhead line towers and other metal structures for power grid construction and telecommunication, such as towers for 500 kilovolt overhead lines, cross-arm metal structures for reinforced concrete poles of overhead lines, metal structures for substations, antenna mast structures. Production capacity is more than 15,000 tons of metal structures per year. Manufacture of multifaceted and cone-shaped lighting poles. Production capacity is more than 4,000 tons of metal structures per year. Manufacture of indoor and outdoor electric service panels. 6 35 kilovolt switchgears, block modular buildings, relay protection and automation cabinets, control and automation systems, fiscal electricity metering and communications. Manufacture of cable and wire products. Production capacity is more than 3,000 tons of non-insulated wire per year. ASPMK-519 implemented more than 600 projects in design, construction, rehabilitation, and repair of energy facilities from 2000 up to now. More than 8,000 kilometers of overhead power transmission lines have been built, including more than 2,000 kilometers for voltage of 110 kilovolt. More than 3,500 kilometers for voltage of 220 kilovolt, more than 2,000 kilometers for voltage of 500 kilovolt. More than 110 substations have been built and reconstructed, including 50 for voltage of 110 kilovolt, 45 for voltage of 220 kilovolt, and 16 voltage of 500 kilovolt. More than 3,400 kilometers of fiber optic communication lines have been laid, including more than 3,100 kilometers of optical power ground wire and self-supporting fiber optic cable, more than 310 kilometers of fiber optic cable in the ground. New, innovative technologies and materials are used to ensure high quality and tight schedules of work performed in course of project implementation, such as cable and earth wire installation under tension, use of optical power ground wire for arrangement of communication and remote control channels, design, manufacture of relay protection systems using microprocessor technologies from Siemens, ABB, Schneider Electric, Vivavis, IDS, design, manufacture and commissioning of power equipment control systems, SCADA, installation, testing of SF6 equipment with voltage up to 500 kilovolts inclusive, installation of cables with cross-linked polyethylene insulation with voltage up to 220 kilovolts. High-technology assimilation allowed ASPMK-519 both to actively participate in further development of the country's power industry and allowed the company to enter the international market. Today, ASPMK-519 provides its services and supplies products to the markets of the Commonwealth of Independent Countries. The company's customers are major companies such as Kigok, Kazakhstan, Tamir Joly, Katco, Kazink, CPC, Kazakhmis, RG Processing, and many other companies in the energy and mining sectors. The company has all necessary the first category state licenses for design, survey, and construction and installation works of any complexity. The company has certified existing quality management systems, occupational safety and health management system, environmental management and information security management systems. Ensuring the necessary conditions, including those for safety of employees and others during work execution, is essential for effective project implementation. This is precisely why development, implementation, and strict compliance with health and safety plans, instructions, and procedures based on the Health and Safety Management System structure is integral to project preparation. Control and measures under the safety, environmental protection, and safety management systems allow to minimize risks to personnel, equipment, and the environment. It is commonly known that companies' prosperity most particularly depends on the people, team, their professional competencies, engagement, and efforts they make to achieve common goals and protect the company's interests. It may safely be said that the ASPMK-519 employees are a crucial resource which proficiency enhancement is under the company's spotlight. Fortification of ASPMK-519's market standing and keeping. The company's leadership in the engineering services market reflect the qualitative company's evolution and are achieved through continuous improvement in the quality of services and products, increased working efficiency, and a high level of staff qualifications.